Always. And I tell you where the floor coming from.
She wanna dance with the GBGs. Honey, we don't dance. We dance with smoke. When we're doing up Tour de France. How you gonna say we don't bang in these streets? How? We're fucking charged. Don't make me laugh. We had man screaming out, oh my lord. She wanna dance with the GBGs. Honey, we don't dance. No. We dance with smoke. When we're doing up Tour de France. How you gonna say we don't bang in these streets? We're fucking charged. Fucking charged. Don't.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I have my friends with me today. Hi. What's poppin'? Michelle. Amira.
Rico. OD.
JT Brady.
Richie.
Really?
Wow.
Thank God. Master. Thank you. God only. It's Richard. What clothing do you think that girls should not wear anymore?
No. One of them. You know when girls wear that no dread, and I wear jeans. They wear long dread, not too short. I've never understood. I don't see all that square down. What's that boy? One go up, bra, a leather jacket. Now we're jeans. Now pop that out. Think that strip. Right.
You know what? Fair enough. To an extent, girls shouldn't be wearing brown pants and F-suits.
And it's October in the Midlands.
The Midlands is a different type of cold.
Stop the feeler, you know the feeler joints. Oh my God! They are fucking ugly. Feeler joints. They're fucking celebrate shoes. As in, just fucking no, this like, oh, no, same up with go ahead. Get out of here, man. It can't be on a fit girl wearing or but I only see them anorexic girls that blue the Air Force will be yellow and the crease will be
Define.
No. When fat girls wear job suits, I don't like that. Wait, fat girls wear. It doesn't look right. Why is it fat girls? I'm not really. You have fucking storage space to stand up.
All fat girls now. When you have to cut the you see him catching those sweat. Yeah.
And I'll do this.
Girls, yeah. What clothing do you think like the guys should wear anymore? For me, yeah. For me, don't you care? Your toe will be poking out in the front. I didn't get your size.
I'm not gonna lie. I swear to God to fire the shots. There's some man. If you go come uni.
Oh yeah. So how about you supposed to get the child size? What can be crazy here? When you guys get drunk, you run your sleeves like this.
We'll start from one step, and after that, every jacket, roll up, and
okay. For the guys, any hairstyles girls should not wearing.
I look my hairstyle.
I like braids. Any
No. But I like braids.
Braids are nice. That's for my new green hair has got to stop. I had enough.
Slime season is back to red, orange, there's no need that. Too many brown colors.
But then again,
I don't care, let me act. He went 6K last year, yeah, you know you're on 2K.
Oh! Thank you, God!
Shower your
My
pussy.
mom's there. I don't care. Gee, them out have. I don't want
to see glue. I don't want to see glue.
I don't want to see glue. What's that white?
I've seen it. Nah, you know what's funny? When the girl has the wig and the edges. The wet
Don't stop getting trimmed. That's one thing. No, don't forget to.
Wait, what do you mean like
You know me, yeah. I'm a bit rough too. Man's a hair pull and when there's no hair to go and get the straight. So what have you hitting it? That's a girl. That's what you hitting it.
You're a bastard.
My mom went to this one. You know?
Hey, yo, get that out, bro.
Anything what?
Just edit this
I'm
whole
keeping
thing.
everything in. Brush your name.
Hey.
Okay, for girls. Hairstyles that guys want.
I don't mind. Just make sure it looks presentable. I said okay, except from high tops, yeah. Any trim, just make sure that it looks nice.
Wait, hold on.
Not me, I told her if my boys are paying rules, you know what I mean?
For the guy, annoying like habits that girls have, they're not like.
Girls are crazy. Girls are psycho.
It's just people, 20 girls.
Once I come to you, when they see me with a girl on my snap, they ask me why are you with girls?
Oh,
why are you with girls? Can I not have friends who are girls? Can I not have friends who are girls? You've never happened to me.
Every outcome is always a risk factor and it's few points.
No, listen. Does a boy that has plenty of girlfriends friend me?
yes.
No, it's happening. It's happening. It's not like you.
No, it's even that. Some girls are witches.
I've been to.
So like, having witches up here because you're nice, that's when they can't even bewitch you. I'm
actually concerned.
You are why did I tell you? You are what you trap. So you
Some of the girls that move to London. How?
No, not going that way. So what's going on?
One bit, but don't flee. One bit, but don't.
If it's not too good, let's get back when a guy goes fucking on a fucking cutting. But sometimes girls think, oh, I actually like it.
You are stupid.
But then again, you're hot bigger than you, too, sometimes. Because you're not gonna lie, if you wanna fuck, you
The signs are there in the first place.
More time.
Exactly.
Men and that.
You know what?
They can play. Just say that.
Okay, cool. But sometimes I want to fuck you. You're obviously gonna say no straight away. Wait, certain men can say yeah. You see you, bitch. I want to fuck you and say yeah. And then you got A. Not every man can do that. Certain men have the source for that. You get me? Like he can say yeah. I want to fuck you. But this was good, boy. He said yeah.
Why is that still you don't spend time in my room, you now decide what clothes you want to take home?
Aha, hoodies! I want that little man hoodies back.
Wait, I can't coach you through the door. I'll feel really down. But why I never like you like that? More time, I don't fuck you. You don't cook for me. You're annoying. But if you're ugly, but you want to take my top. Why won't you take my fire? No, but obviously, like, if you're not my girl, you shouldn't
You're not my girl, you shouldn't take my home.
Exactly, you should. What I'm gonna say is that it's not every clothes shop that you go to that you buy clothes in.
Honestly.
You get what I'm saying? It's not every girl that attracts you, I'm gonna wear it.
Shake my hand.
But basically what I'm trying to say is that when you go shopping, you go into clothing store and you look through it, you know everything that you touch it.
You try some things on, you don't
try
like.
something on, and then it doesn't work.
Would you wear a trainers that 10 other men have put their foot into.
I mean, it's still fresh. I want to match.
Fuck off, I went that.
Exactly.
Get from the back.
My feelings. Every girl that not every girl that talks to you, I'm gonna whack.
It's basically yeah.
You have potentials there. You land up
Yeah.
or maybe a pair of reserves.
Just don't beat, man. Just don't like continue loving their points. Don't beat them though, like to kind of beat them.
People.
You can talk to a girl. Don't beat them. Don't talk to them. No. Next one for girls. For girls. Annoying thing that boys.
Apart from breathing, yeah. Apart from breathing.
Boys do not know what they want. They're so indecisive.
No, I know what I want.
They don't know. And when you do that, the girl like basically.
That's what they're crazy. The boys start complaining.
One thing I don't like about boys, yeah, is certain boys do not know how to voice their opinion and say how it is. Okay, cool, let's talk. Cool. I feel like this. Calm. Then I say, okay, but what do you want me to now say? What do you mean? If y'all just say, speak it out. Stop listening. I'm not crazy. Shut the fuck up. I'm not crazy.
Yeah, she's crazy.
I'm not crazy. I'm gonna throw you out too. Get chill first of all. Then come and speak to me. It's pattern. Your trip ain't. And your beard is packed. You should shut up.
When it comes to what you were saying, you got to feel how society is making man them looking at man them express their feelings from young kids. They look as pussy. Even me as a young, no, we're not about private. What happens publicly comes to private. You can't talk from a young age. We're taught, man, it's not about she's my girl. You come from a girl, parent, any adult, but boys. We're taught from a young age, we have to be strong in it. And when we show feelings, that shows a sign of weakness. Because me too, I have the same problem, I can't feel my feelings. I speak to her my ex made me get over a lot. And when it comes to talking, I said that we was getting nearly engaged and this talks about feelings for the end of the relationship.
Why would you wait so long?
Because it takes time.
You know what it is. Girls care too soon and boys care way too late.
Hey,
I'm basically asking you, how do you feel? You're telling me no type of way.
Because it takes time.
Why is it that when we break up, you're not gonna allow all of your feelings?
When
we break up, I don't even understand. When you break up, you're not together anymore. So you go your separate ways. Don't you dare tell me your feelings at the very end. Tell me through the relationship so I know how you feel. So I know where I went wrong.
You don't tell your best friend a girl you're feeling for nothing.
You don't your best friend.
What the hell?
Yeah, don't shoot your
Girl best friends that you boys have. I don't understand.
Yeah, why?
If you're close with a boy or your best friend with a boy and the boy gets a girl, I think you should.
Yeah.
I will let it go.
Now your place has been taken. I'm sorry, but it has. It has.
For the time being, Chef, please.
For the time being, you know what I mean?
Period.
Stop being friends with him, but there's boundaries now because
There's no more hugging anymore.
Say it louder for the niggas in the back like
If you can't do something with your ex-boy best friend in front of his girl, don't do it.
That's what everything else comes at man's house and then the friend's now wearing his coat, his shoes and everything.
Impossible.
First of all, why is he allowing it? I don't want to hear he's just a friend. No. Listen,
guys, don't forget, people do have their friends as well.
Yes!
Your friend, they'll be paying my time and
let's just go go shopping and stuff like that. Next thing you know, you grab the table and it's a date. And the girl just ran.
Oh my God! Please don't talk about that. I was friending it, yeah. And I said, we're gonna go West School. No. I have a girl and another friend. No.
it was you.
I had a girl and I had a girl and then I said, we're gonna go West School. I
And when we did Westwood, we were like, oh, we've got time to kill, what do you want to do? Like, oh, let's go about. We ended up in the museum, innit? We done museum. Don't ask how, innit? I'm not an intellectual person, innit? One museum, innit? I said, museum ended with shit. So that time, innit? We had to do something by like 5. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I ended up going bowling, innit? Because you go bowling with your friends, like, we see no move. Now we're bowling, innit? We did outing. All of that might be a bit much, but I feel like this is why I went a bit overboard, innit? We now ended up at home, we now got away, innit? But now it happened, because our friends are there as well, innit? You know what I'm saying? So our friends are there, innit? So I ended up spending a whole day with this girl, innit? You had time to my girl. In my eyes and her eyes, innit? We didn't play for the day. We thought, oh yeah, we'll just see you later hanging out, innit? But my girl's eyes, innit? She thought it was a day. And everyone else actually. To us, innit, we just thought, oh yeah, we were bored, we we're gonna do anything, innit? But we didn't see it as a date. But us, man, inside the picture, we didn't think about how people are looking at it outside the picture. Bro, when you're in the moment,
you have to think about that.
when you're in the moment, you don't really think about honestly, you're not resolved, innit?
Anything you really do in front of your girl, don't do it at all, basically.
I'll do my girl, my girl's there, we'll go this. Sometimes, yeah, it's not like us boys and our female friends trying to take the piss from me. Like, not like we're trying to take the piss, but I'm trying to make that thinking. Sometimes, the way that your girl should come to you and approach you like that, it shouldn't be on an attitude. We have to have a discussion about that.
Why should she come about that?
No, not about being calm, but about how you structure it. I know you're angry, but you structure it properly.
Yeah, of course.
Because my mom's like, yeah, anger has a fixed anger.
How are you gonna tell your girl how to feel about that situation?
Yeah, she can't do it. And I feel like communication, relationship, actually,
if you don't like something that I'm doing, don't come at me when you do something and then I tell you off for doing it too. Don't do that. It's like you telling me, okay, cool, don't go here and there. I say, okay, cool, whatever. You now do the same thing too and you think it's alright. Are you mad?
And expect me not to say
something.
Exactly.
That's time.
Are you putting your feet?
And it's all of you boys. Another thing. If you're my man, please do not be friendly around other girls. Like too friendly. Too friendly. I think you guys are friendly. Like a dirty man. I don't like that.
Wait. You're just there and they got there with you.
You better tell you walk away, nigga. You better get screw your face. Be like, I have a girl out there.
Who is waiting? No one. Walk away.
Why is he up to flirt?
I can wait, just like I'm not
Tell her again, I have a girl at home. Simple.
You can walk away.
I'm just saying, with your man, don't be trying to be doing
You
that.
know when there's rats at home, there's rats at home.
If I speak, I'll be in trouble, bro. I'm being
A
lot of girls are friendly. A lot of girls are friendly.
What?
You're in Cali. Your girlfriend is in Bishop Case.
But that's
What's going on? But yeah, you don't know about it.
You don't know about it.
What do you say about relationships and say if you're in uni and your partner is in
one person, one relationship can be long distance.
Exactly.
You should do it. Not about what you need to go to. I can go leave you and see them and out to your level. I know that I can't be doing long distance. I need to see my girl every other day. Because I'm needy. I like physical attention. You know what I'm saying? I'm not
Are you reciprocating the same energy? When they want attention, they become
when I go, I want to hold my phone every other day.
Pass me the tissue, please. Secondly, there's certain girls here that are needy for man them. Too needy. And please, take time, sit tight, close your legs and face your fucking books. Because you are listen, you are 18, you have
guys go back to my car.
I'm not.
I don't like fans. You girls are good to parties, yeah, and drink anyhow. When you're drunk, why the hell can you not compose yourself?
Bums, girl. No, do you also know the girls? Do you also know the girls? When you want to chat to a girl and her friend is there and her friend's like, she doesn't want to chat to you. Why do you How do you know?
Boys, try to on
Girls use boys. Girls use boys.
Elaborate. Man, damn, use girls as well.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do. Yes, they do.
Man,
The
the girl, buy me food. You'll be sleeping. Your girlfriend call. Can you buy me food, please? Leave me alone.
Well, I don't know
Random. Hey, please, if you're a regular you, stop trying to compete with the trappers and the F-boys.
Yeah.
It's not my force.
Don't jump on. Don't care for no involved.
Stay to your booty man, fam. Stay to your booty man. I'm not gonna lie, man, not booty man come and let's sex with you. We're gonna stand that a guy can go into the club and go dripping it. I can come my private man. I will still leave the club with the same girl. I will even be a better girl.
If you're ugly, you're ugly.
Can I just say something?
My uncle said something about that. He said the looks attract the person, but the person keeps them there. You gotta work on that.
I've still got another issue.
Oh yeah, go you.
Wow.
You man them, you man them now. I can't lie, fam. It's pissing me off. Wait, when the bashment set comes, I know there's certain men that can't control girls and dance with girls. You might rearranging her back like a washing plate. Please, if you cannot dance to bashment and you're just here to be grabbing wine, yeah.
The man that will push everyone, they will push everyone when they bashment comes. Stop them, the girl bend over like this. The man will be pushing everyone like that. So he pushes everyone. Bare confidence. It's not like they've never got a wine in their life. They look like they never touched a bum.
You see, woman, you can compose yourself.
What's
the meaning?
If the girl wants to stand up and go on, please allow her to stand up.
In the name of Dagestan, a wine is that relationship.
Why is no relationship? Why is no relationship?
I feel like it's only me. I feel like wine is the only dance where girls actually lead. The man have to follow.
Yes.
Like girls have got control when it comes to wine. You think about it. Don't fight it. Go with it.
Exactly. The DJ's playing Jane House and you're going, no. Church tomorrow.
TikTok. I'm joking, man. I'm a business family.
Live one, live food here in Carve. Nasa's Grill on Instagram, okay?
I'll set your bag, guys.
Whoosh.
Oh yeah.
Change.
Whoosh.
I forgot that lighting, where?
Why am I crouching?
No, that's nice.
Yeah, just like I'm a small girl, please.
I'm looking all black at that.
I'm looking all
Like plantain, innit?
Don't make me laugh, we had men screaming out, oh my lord.
The WAP's got power, let it sing like my gal in the shower. In the pot making rock out of powder. If this beef gets caught at a pounder. Real Brixton A-towner. We make the girls undress go down us. Man's on the ball like rounders. Jake's on the case so they lost and found us. Straight cash no